Exams are over now and children have a lot of free time. This is the right time to help them learn new skills at home. Let's involve them in small kitchen activities and teach them simple English sentences at the same time. Come, help me in the kitchen. Tie your apron and stand properly. Wash these tomatoes and peel these potatoes. Cut these vegetables carefully. Mix this batter slowly. Fill this bottle with water, keep this in the fridge and close the fridge door properly. Stir the milk and don't let it spill. Bring the flour from the shelf. Let's knead the dough. I'll roll the chapatis and you flip them.
Okay, Mommy.
Keep the chapatis in the casserole. Please bring the plates and keep the plates on the table. Come, help me lay the table. Please bring the plates and keep them here. After eating, keep your plate in the sink and help me wash the dishes. Dry the plates with a cloth. Keep the things back in place. Keep the kitchen towel neatly. Try these sentences with your child today and tell me in the comments how it went.